If you stay in your comfort zone, that's where you will fail. You will fail in your comfort zone. Success is not a comfortable procedure.
As we approach the new year, it's time to think about the business opportunities that could thrive, regardless of economic fluctuations. If executed well, these ventures have the potential to consistently generate profit. I'm not in my usual setup right now, but this video couldn't wait. I'm visiting family, and I just had to share these ideas with you as we plan for success in the coming year. Let's dive straight into it, but before we do, if you're into smart investments, financial strategies, or business insights, hit that subscribe button. This is the place for you. So, while I've been here, I've noticed a few emerging business opportunities that seem ripe for investment. Let me walk you through them. 1. Gas refilling services. In many rural areas, I've seen a huge shift from traditional firewood cooking to gas use. This trend is spreading fast, and when I recently tried to refill our gas, I saw just how limited the options are in certain areas. The one station that was available was swarmed with customers. The demand is undeniable, and even with rising costs, people are still prioritizing convenience, and gas is the go-to option for many households. Starting a gas refilling business could be a very lucrative move, especially as this shift continues into the new year. 2. Discounted designer perfumes. There's a growing market for discounted yet authentic designer perfumes. These are genuine products but maybe slightly imperfect packaging or older stock, which makes them more affordable. A friend introduced me to a supplier and I was amazed at the profit potential. The perfume sold out fast because consumers love the idea of getting high-end brands for a fraction of the cost. The key to success in this business is finding reliable suppliers and understanding the demand in your area. This is a great niche if you can source products at the right price. 3. Pharmaceutical distribution. The pharmaceutical industry remains strong, even during tough times. Distributing medicines and health products is a solid business option, especially since the demand for healthcare products is constant. Distribution companies often make substantial profits, not just from the product sales but also through commissions and bonuses. If you have the capital, exploring this area could be highly profitable, and the market for drugs and health-related products will continue to grow in the coming years. If you're looking for a way to generate passive income, digital products are the way to go. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or any kind of digital content once created, these products continue to sell without much ongoing effort. I personally launched an ebook years ago and have been earning money from it ever since. The low overhead costs of creating and selling digital products make it an attractive business idea. You can start small with minimal investment and grow it over time. And if you're serious about starting, I'll be offering a detailed workshop on how to create and sell your own digital products. Content creation studios. As content creation explodes, more people are looking for professional spaces to film and create high-quality videos. You don't need to be a content creator yourself to take advantage of this trend. Renting out a space designed for content creation, equipped with proper lighting, backdrops, and equipment, could be a great business. People are always looking for well-equipped spaces to produce their videos, so if you can provide that, it's a winning business model. Food supply business. The food business will always be in demand. Even as prices rise, people still need to eat. This could be as simple as supplying staple items like rice or cooking oil, or even dealing in specialty foods. My own experience with supplying palm oil in bulk is proof of how profitable food supply can be. If you focus on one or two key products and offer them at competitive prices, you can carve out a niche for yourself in this evergreen industry. Building materials. Construction is a never-ending need, and building materials are always in high demand. From cement to sand to stones, people are always building. I've seen how much money can be made in this field, especially in communities where real estate development is on the rise. If you can supply building materials to construction projects, whether large or small, this can be a profitable venture. There you have it, 7 business ideas to consider for 2025. These ideas reflect both the current market demand and the emerging trends that could define the future. Are you thinking about any of these businesses? Or perhaps there's another idea you've been considering. Let me know in the comments, and if you'd like me to dive deeper into any of these opportunities, I'd be happy to share more insights. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more business tips. Let's make 2025 our best year yet.